You're gonna find out. I thought it could be. Oh my gosh! Guess what it is? I got a brand new ring light. Do you know how many times I asked, is there a ring light? Is there a ring light? They're like, no, we can't afford it. No. Hey everyone, I'm super excited today. So today's the 3rd of September. Countdown to my birthday, and this is my first present. So that's like 20 days to go, and I can't wait. There's no way I can wait for 20 days with this box in my house waiting for it. So I can't wait. So I got this box. It's for my brother and my sisters, and I'm just super excited. So I thought, ooh, I think I've got anxiety. I've been waiting for this, to open this present forever, all day. I think since last night when I was told that it's coming to my house today. So I'm ready, let's go. Oh my gosh, I don't know what it is. I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. Next time, please guys, don't do this to me. This is not nice. I've just didn't sleep well. I was just thinking, what is it? What is it? What? Super excited. Oh, thank you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I got a brand new ring light. Right, okay, let's see what it looks like. My one, I've had it for the whole year, and I might take a picture of it, what it looks like compared to this one. Guys, oh, sorry, I don't know how to make it nice, how to open it nicely. I'm just gonna try and crack it open. Oh my god. Yeah! Brand new ring light. Oh my gosh, come on, come out. Can't wait. Oh gosh. Oh Lord. Who's gonna set this up for me? Okay. This is empty now. Stay there. Okay, cool. And then, so we got this. And here comes my suitcase. What? Open and see what's inside. Oh my god. It's massive. Oh, guys. And it has all this stuff in there. Oh my gosh. First set. Second set. Charger. Oh my god, it's got so many things. I just, thank you guys. My new ring light, look. I get excited about all this little stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh. Now the only problem is I don't know how to set it up. So, Joelle, you have to come and help me. But I'm super excited. I'm gonna put a picture of once Joelle has helped me put it together, because Auntie Lee just doesn't know how to do it. But I'm super excited. Brand new ring light. This is what I wanted. It was on my list for my birthday, but I just didn't think they'll actually buy it because it's quite expensive. It's actually quite expensive. So, oh, guys, thank you so much. Right. Don't you want to come in and help me? Somebody can come in and help me set it up. No, they don't know how to do it. Joella, you gonna come and help me?
Yeah.
Yeah! So, Auntie Joella is gonna help me set it up. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much. I am so. I am so excited. Thank you. Mommy, attention. Be careful. What? There's more things in there.
Oh, but the note basically was meant to say,
Yeah.
hope you
Isn't there supposed to be a note? I'll look for it. Wait, maybe it's in the other envelope. I don't know. What's the note supposed to say?
It's meant to say, I hope Auntie Lou's, your channel goes forward. We love you so much.
Are you serious? Okay, let me see. Maybe it's in here. Maybe it's in the note somewhere. Well, thank you. We'll look for the note. We'll find that note. I'm gonna look for it. Thank you. Let's see it out. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm looking for my note. Note, where are you? Oh, where's my note gone? Oh, sorry. Right, here's the note. No, you better show up. That's a nice message though. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. So cool. Got anything like that? I've been waiting this for. My friend's gonna be so jealous. Everybody's gonna be coming up here for a photo shoot because I think this is a professional one, right? Is it a professional one? Hey, zombie. I got a brand new professional ring light. Man. Step 1, step 2, and brighter. Oh my gosh. Hi. Ooh. Ooh. Don't fall down. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I am super happy with my ring light. Super excited. I think tonight I'll sleep very, very, very well. These are Thank you so much. Countdown to my birthday is a big number. So yeah, so happy with my present. Thank you. Bye everyone. I hope you enjoyed us setting up my ring light. Thank you. To my sisters and my brother, thank you. Thank you for the surprise. Thank you.